What's up guys, so finally we have the leaks of Realme 6, Realme 6i and Realme 6 Pro, as well as their official posters released on official Twitter account of Realme. This time Realme 6 Pro is going to have 64 megapixel camera sensor. Not sure what Realme 6 will be having. There could be a 48 megapixel in Realme 6, and Realme 6 Pro will also feature 20x digital zoom, not optical. In case you are thinking it will be optical zoom, then you're wrong, because this is not going to be a flagship device. If Realme will be using Snapdragon 800 plus processors, then this will be absolutely a flagship. Otherwise it is a mid-range device. We will just have digital zoom, and we also have some samples clicked by Realme 6 and Realme 6 Pro. The details are actually stunning. Even we can zoom a little bit into the photos without having a loss in quality. And talking about front cameras, then in Realme 6 there is going to be a punch hole camera at the top left corner of the screen, and in Realme 6 Pro there will be a pill-shaped camera module, same as of Galaxy S10 Plus. And besides that, there will be also a 90Hz display in Realme 6 Pro. Not sure that will Realme 6 also have that 90Hz refresh rate display or not. And Realme claims in their official poster that this will be a 50% faster as compared to the normal 60Hz display. And here is a side-by-side comparison you can see. And talking about battery, then in Pro variant there is going to be a 4730 milliamps of battery with 30 watts of fast charging. This charging speed is also confirmed by official teaser. And along with all of these specs, we also have some color options you can see. And Realme is again holding that same design but with different pattern at the back side. So that's a bit disappointing that Realme should move ahead with some new design ideas. Realme is not doing that. And pricing of these variants is not yet confirmed, but Realme released this poster of ordering the smartphone, the blind order. If you make pre-order of Realme 6, you will get Realme Buds 2 as a gift, and on pre-order of Realme 6 Pro you will get some amount from Total back into your account, and this amount will be in the form of coupon codes so that you could buy anything from Realme store with this coupon. And Realme is also releasing their first fitness band with colorful display, which will have a heart rate monitoring sensor, built-in USB connector, and an OLED display. And that's all. More info we'll see after the official unveiling of Realme 6 and Realme 6 Pro. That will be happening on March 5. For that, stay tuned by subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.